Hangzhou Beijia Import and Export Company Limited was established in 2011, specializing in the production of various materials such as scarves, gloves, hats, and other clothing accessories, covering customers at low, medium, and high prices to meet different needs. The region where our company is located is also a major production base for woven scarves in China, with a specialized scarf market and supporting production lines, which have unique geographical advantages. Our company's export products also develop other clothing, accessories such as gloves, hats, and so on. The company always provides customers with high-quality products and technical support, as well as sound after-sales service. Through years of trade cooperation, it has been a zero-complaint and zero-claim company, gaining the full trust and reliance of customers. High quality, affordable, and fast are our principles. Accepting small quantity customization is our advantage. The quality inspection of our professional team is our core. Whether it's new product development or creating samples according to customer design, we basically maintain the efficiency and accuracy of 1 week's sample production. During the bulk production phase, we have a professional tracking team, with dedicated personnel supervising the early, mid-term, and final stages to maintain accuracy and timeliness in real time. We have established a long-term and good cooperative relationship with the principle of customer first, integrity first, and established a good reputation in the industry. With the continuous development and expansion of the company, we aim to cover a wider foreign trade market through a diversified product development strategy. We sincerely look forward to buyers from different markets around the world to conduct business negotiations.